With the best of everything. Let's take a look at the Chef Ramo popcorn popper. This is pretty slick. Made out of soft silicone, BPA free. It's collapsible, so it's easy cleaning. And we'll just add a little popcorn here. Put our lid on it. And track it over to the microwave. Okay, 3 minutes and 38 seconds. See if you can kind of hear that too. That was initially at 4 minutes. It started popping at 30 seconds. Okay, as you can tell, our frequency of pops is now diminished. Just a couple here, a couple there. Okay. Okay, we stopped at 1 minute and 30, so it would have been three minutes, pretty much. And at that, I still got it a little bit hot. So I think probably 3 minutes would have been about right. Let's see, bowl. Since it has handles on it, it's not hot to deal with. Go. Light and fluffy. I put about a tablespoon of pressed palm oil in there. It gives it that bitter flavor. Chef Ramo, big popcorn popper. Hey, that's excellent. Oh, good. The dark ones just have a lot of oil on them. They don't taste burnt. Look, they taste pretty good. Get one I did, and I am darn happy about it.